This gaming laptop might look a little too discreet, but don't let these looks fool you because the MSI GF66 Katana here is one powerful laptop that will totally blow your mind when it comes to gaming performance. This bad boy here is powered by an Intel Core i7-12700H processor and GeForce RTX 3070 Ti laptop GPU. And it even comes with a really nice 15.6-inch 240Hz Full HD panel that's great for high frame rates games. But like any gaming laptops, it has its imperfections. This is my full review of the 2022 MSI GF66 Katana. Despite looking like a totally black slab, the GF66 Katana does have a few subtle design touches that I really like, such as the discreetly embossed MSI Dragon branding on the lid and the brush finishing on the sides. And if you flip it to the bottom, you do find a honeycomb style vent that reveals the internals a little, so without even cracking it open, you already know where the SSD, RAM, and Wi-Fi card is. Port selection is decent on a GF66 Katana, and you get 3 USB-A ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 1 with no support for Thunderbolt and USB PD, HDMI 2.0, RJ45GB Ethernet, and a headphone combo jack. The laptop's display hinge is a one-handed hinge, and like many other MSI laptops that we reviewed, it goes all the way down to 180 degrees so you can share your screen to the opposite party. The display is a very nice and bright IPS panel that covers 99% of the sRGB color space, which is sufficient for content consumption and some casual graphics work if you want to do it. It has a 720p webcam on top, which works fine for streaming and video calls in good lighting. The loudspeaker sounded fine for casual music and gaming, but isn't one that you can fill the entire room. So here's the sound test. The GF66 Katana's keyboard has very good key travel, and I really like the solid key press actuation, which offers a very nice typing experience. But oddly, MSI has decided not to offer per key RGB or even multi-zone RGB lighting here, considering this isn't some cheapo gaming laptop. You can't even change the red color lighting if you want to, which is a little disappointing. The trackpad may be small, but thankfully tracks well when I use it for work. And during the review period, I used the Pulsar X-Lite V2 wireless gaming mouse with it, which you can get it at good deals by KLGG for 275 ringgit. Like I mentioned at the start of this video, the GF66 Katana is a very powerful gaming laptop, so let's talk about performance. The RTX 3070 Ti laptop GPU performs at 105 watts due to the laptop's thermal design, which might sound a little underwhelming when you consider that it could go up as high as 150 watts on a flagship gaming laptop. Despite that, it can still deliver playable frames in AAA games I tested in 1080p with ray tracing set to the max. During gameplay, the laptop's fans can sound very loud just like most gaming laptops, but thankfully isn't deafening. The palm area of the laptop remains cool while only the top panel gets hot. CPU temperatures can get over 90 degrees Celsius during full load, but thankfully there is no thermal throttling. Battery life is unfortunately not the GF66 Katana strength because even when I am using it very conservatively with a 60Hz refresh rate, I can only get up to 4 hours of usage, which is fine if you want to take it out for a quick Starbucks session, but you will definitely want to keep the charger in the bag if you're always out and about. The lack of USB PD charging is also disappointing considering most other gaming laptops of the same class have already included that as a charging alternative. The MSI GF66 Katana retails at 7,499 ringgit in Malaysia, which converts to approximately $1,700 which I think is a reasonable price to pay for the specs and performance you're getting, but compared to the competition, it is less appealing in hardware features as it lacks a RGB keyboard, DDR5 memory, and faster IOs. But if all you care about is performance above everything else, this gaming laptop certainly does that better than most of its competitors. So that's pretty much for my review of the MSI GF66 Katana. Let me know your thoughts, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to us for more content coming right up, and I'll see you guys in our next one.